Hello and welcome to another Ethereum analysis. The bounce is in trouble and one level explains why. In this video, we break down what broke. The weekly chart first, then the last 30 days, level by level, rule by rule. Let's start with the structure. Wave 1 topped at 4,900. Wave 2 fell to 900, where C equaled A. Wave 3 is underway, and its second leg landed on a double bottom at 1,500 on the deep retracement. That double bottom is the whole question. If it holds, wave 3 runs towards the record. If it fails, wave 2 is still unfolding, and lower levels open up. The hourly chart now leans towards the second answer. Let's move down to the hourly chart over the last 30 days. The rise of 1,500 is not an impulse. The swings overlap each other degree after degree, and that is a signature of a correction, not the signature of a trend. A double zigzag. W tops at 1,846. X falls to 1,750. Y then measures 0.618 of W, the exact ratio guidelines expect for a second zigzag. And here is what killed the bullish count. Price fell to 1,848, below the prior high at 1,892. Wave 4 overlapped wave 1, which ends the count. So the primary scenario flips. Below 1,956 the rise is over. Supports 1,803, then 1,750, then 1,734. The alternative. Reclaim 1,956 and the low holds. One level decides it. The plan. The rise was corrective and 1,500 is back in play. This is educational, not financial advice. See you tomorrow for another Ethereum update.